Meaning of indent.
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 Indent. The term indent refers to a typographical practice where the first line of a paragraph or block of text is set in from the left margin, creating a visible gap or indentation. The purpose of this practice is to aid in the organization and readability of large bodies of text. By visually separating paragraphs or sections, indentations can help readers to easily identify the beginning of new thoughts or ideas. Indentation can be achieved through a number of different techniques, including by using the Tab key on a keyboard, or adjusting the margins or styles of a document.